I had an issue with my hip for about 8 months. The breaking point was one day when I was in San Francisco. I couldn't walk anymore. And I said, when I have access to such facilities, I gotta get this done. It was recommended to do a procedure geared towards people that are more active. The Sutter staff really brought that to us. The partnership was smooth as possible. 2 days later, I was home, and by the third day, I wasn't really using my cane any longer.